Sairam, today we'll be doing the supplementary chapter. First of all, maximum of you please on your cameras. And today the reading of the chapter will be done by one second. I want new faces today. Harsh will be doing it. Harsh and Kinjal Sahu. Two of them I have chosen today. Both of you please show me your faces. Where's Kinjal? You are there here, but I can't see your face. Please on your camera. Kinjal. Yes, better. Please on your camera. And Harsh also. Harsh, please respond.
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Okay. First, Kinjal will start the chapter, and then it here Harsh will follow. I will tell you from where. Okay. It's quite a long chapter. Yes. Kinjal, you must start. I hope your camera is on. Is it Kinjal? It's still not on. I'm going to do the reporting to Sangamitra ma'am on daily basis now. How many children on it and how many don't on. Next time, please be in the school uniform better. Yes, start reading. Kinjal, you may start. Is it visible, my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, one second.
Kinjal, are you starting?
On 27th October 1999, 7 years after his mother's death, Prashant had gone to the block headquarters of Ersima, a small town in coastal Orissa, some at 18 kilometers from his village, to spend the day with a friend. In the evening, a thunderstorm quickly gathered. The that Prashant had never witnessed before. Heavy incessant rain filled the darkness. Ancient trees were. Ma'am, can you scroll?
Ma'am, our voice is not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kinjal, I think your voice is breaking. Harsh, you can take over from here.
Okay, ma'am.
From here, uprooted.
Uprooted and crashed to the earth. Scream rent the air as people and houses were swiftly washed away. The angry water swept into his friend's house, neck deep. The building of bricks and mortar and was strong enough to survive the devastation of the wind's velocity of 350 km per hour. But the cold terror of the family grew with the crash of trees that had got uprooted and fallen on their house. Sometimes in the uh, sometimes in the middle of the night, damaging its roots, roofs, and walls. The crash destruction wrought by the cyclone and the surge of the ocean continued for the next 36 hours. Although wind's speed had reduced somewhat by the next morning, to escape the water rising in the house, Prashant and his friend's family had taken refuge on the roof. Prashant will never forget the shock he experienced at the first glimpse of the devastation
Devastation.
wrought by the super cyclone. In the grey light of the early morning, arranging deadly brown sheet of water covered everything as far as the eyes could see. Only fractured cement house still stood in a few places.
Blotted.
Blotted animal carcasses and human corpses floated in
Corpses.
every direction. All around, even huge old trees had fallen. 2 coconut trees had fallen on the roof of their house. This was a blessing in the disuse because the tender coconuts from the trees kept the family from starving in the several days that followed.
That's it. That's it, Harsh. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you.
Did you on the camera, Harsh, while you were speaking? Srishti, was it on?
No, ma'am.
Harsh, I told you ना that on camera. पहली बार करवा रही हूँ शायद तुमसे. That's not good actually. क्या? बेटा अभी तो हाँ मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है. Anyway, काफी महीने हो गए बेटा, अब तो थोड़ी बहुत मैं भी तेज हो गई हूँ, है ना? Anyway, अब ठीक करवा लो, काफी आधा हाफ ईयरली भी हो गया तुम लोगों का. Only one other half of the year is left, and then you देखते देखते तुम लोग 10th में आ जाओगे. Next was our name. I'm telling, please on your cameras. 22. Will this increase? Last time it was, I think, 24 or something. Yes, Kinjal is visible. Now I'll tell the next children's name. Child's name. Riya. Riya, show me your face. मुझे देखना है तू यूनिफॉर्म में है कि नहीं. Riya and Sonia are doing the reading now. First, both of you show me whether you're there on the camera. Bit of time wasted. It's very long chapter. And class 7, class 6 all have started making PPTs, and either they can share the screen, and they have started it on supplementary. So this is the last chapter probably I'll be doing with you. After this, you are going to present three children in a group about the chapter. I'm still waiting for this thing. 2 names I gave, na? इसका नाम बताया था मैंने अभी. सोनिया एंड रिया कहाँ हो? रिया जी, प्लीज शो मी योर फेस. ओह नो, यू बेटर ऑफ द कैमरा. तू ऑफ ही कर ले. एंड वेयर इज दिस वन? सोनिया. But I'm noting the names today. This is my last warning to you people who are not there in the uniform. Only for 2 days you have to, 2 hours you have to wear the uniform. Only 2 hours. नीचे आप जीन्स पहनो, कुछ भी पहनो. ऊपर तो अपनी हाउस टी शर्ट पहन सकते हो. It's so easy. So तो प्रेस भी नहीं लगाना, कुछ नहीं करना. सिंपल बस चढ़ाना है. Okay. So Sonia, there's a lot of I think disturbance in your mic. Anna? Sonia, you do the reading for 1 paragraph. If I find it okay, then I'll let you continue. Otherwise, I have to tell someone else to read it. Sonia, Riya to gai. Raghav will do after Sonia. Okay, so Raghav, please on your camera while doing it. And मुझे कोई WhatsApp से personally बता देना अगर वो camera on कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. Okay, so here it is. Yes, Sonia, continue.
Ma'am, from the
1 second, I'll tell you from where. He did it till. 1 second, he did it till here, I think. No, this one. From here for the next 2 days.
for the next 2 days, Prashant sat huddled with his friends, family in the open on the rooftop. They froze in the cold and ince-
Inc- incessant.
incessant rain. The rainwater washed away Prashant's tears. The only thought that flashed through his mind was whether his family had survived the fury of the super cyclone. Was he to be bereaved once again? 2 days later, which seemed to Prashant like 2 years, the the rain ceased and the rainwater slowly began to recede. Prashant was determined to seek out his family without further delay, but the situation was still dangerous, and his friend's family pleaded with Prashant to stay back a little while longer, but Prashant knew he had to go. He equipped himself with a long sturdy stick and then started on his 18-kilometer expedition back to his village through the swollen flood waters. It was a journey he would never forget. He constantly had to use his stick to locate the road, to determine where the water was most shallow. At places it was waist deep and progress was slow. At several points he lost the road and had to swim. After some distance he was relieved to find two friends of his uncle who were also returning to their village. They decided to move ahead together. As they waded through the waters, the scenes they witnessed grew more and more macabre. They had they had to push away many human bodies, men, women, children, and carcasses of dogs, goats, and cattle that the current swept against them as they moved ahead. In every village that they passed, they could barely see a house standing. Prashant now wept out loud and long. He was sure that his family could not have survived this catastrophe. Eventually, reached his village, Kalikuda. His heart went cold. Where their home once stood, there were only remnants of its roof. Some of their belongings were caught mangled and twisted in the branches of trees just visible above the dark waters. Young Prashant decided to go to the Red Cross shelter to look for his family. Among the first people he saw in the crowd was his maternal grandmother, weak with hunger. She rushed to him, her hands outstretched, her eyes brimming. It was a miracle. They had long given him up for dead. Quickly, Rongspread and his extended family gathered around him and hugged him tight in relief. Prashant anxiously scanned the motley, battered group. His brother and sister, his uncles and aunts, they all seemed to be there.
Okay, thank you, Sonia. Next,
Thank you,
who
ma'am.
was it?
Raghav.
Yes, Raghav. Has he on the camera?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Raghav, I gave you sufficient time to even wear your t-shirt. Raghav, you're not there? Okay. So next, Ansh, are you there? कार्तिक, यस कार्तिक जी अपनी शक्ल दिखाइए. कार्तिक, कार्तिक वर्मा लेफ्ट द मीटिंग. हाय, हमको भी ऐसे ही होता, मुझे ये नहीं आता आंसर में छोड़ दूं. ग्रेट. राघव, वेयर इज प्रखर श्रीवास्तव? Today he is not there. Missing. आर्ची का कैमरा ऑन हो गया, अभी अभी आई है, मैं सब आर्ची. Okay. Next, then Ansh and Aditi. You will continue. Are you both there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ansh. Who is this? Ansh. Yes. Can you on your camera, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aditi is a good girl, huh? Yes, better. Good. And now I'm back to your this one chapter. Yes, you can start from here by the next morning.
By the next morning, as he took in the desperate situation in the shelter, he decided to get a grip over himself. He sensed a great deathly grief settling upon the 2,500 strong crowd in the shelter. 86 lives were lost in the village. All the 1906
Houses had any problem, Ansh?
no, ma'am, has been washed away. It was their fourth day at the shelter. So far, so so far they had survived on the green coconut, but there were too few to go around such they are people. Prashant, all of 19 years, 19 years, decided to step in as a leader of his village, if no one else did. He organized a group of youth and elders to jointly pressurize the merchant once again to part with his rights. And the degradation succeeded and returned triumphantly.
Triumphantly.
Wading through the receipts water with food for the entire shelter. No one cared that the rice was already rotting. Branches from the fallen trees were gathered to light a eloquent and slow fire on which they to cook the rice. For the first time in 4 days,
Reluctant. This is reluctant. Fine.
reluctant and slow fire on which the to cook the rice. For the first time in 4 days, the superior were able to fill their bellies. It was to organize a team of youth volunteers to clean the shelter of filth, urine, vomit, blood, and to tend the wounds and fractures of the many who had been injured. On fifth day,
Yes. Okay. Ansh. Thank you, beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. That's it. Now I'm changing. Aditi, start from here on the fifth day.
On the fifth day, a military helicopter flew over the shelter and dropped some food parcels. It then did
Parcels.
not parcels. It then did not return. The youth task force gathered
Empty. Empty utensils.
empty utensils from the shelter. Then they deputed the children to the lie in the sand left by the waters around the shelters with these utensils on their stomachs to the communicate to the passing helicopter that they were hungry. The message got through, and after that the helicopter made regular rounds of the shelter, airdropping food and other basic needs. Prashant found that uh, Prashant found that the large number of children had been
Orphaned.
often orphaned. He brought them together and put up a polythene sheet shelter from them. Women are molested to look after them.
Mobilized. The women were mobilized.
Women were mobilized to look after them while the men secured food
Secured.
secured food and materials for the shelter. As the week passed, Prashant was quick to recognize that the women and children were
sinking
sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. He
persuaded
persuaded the women to start working in the food for work program
program
started by an NGO, and for the children he organized
organized
organized sports
sports
event sports events. He himself loved to play cricket, and so he organized cricket matches for children. Prasad engaged with other volunteers in helping the widows,
widows. Mm.
and children to pick up the broken piece of their lives. The initial government plan was to set up institutions for orphans and widows. However, this step was successfully decided as it was
Resisted.
felt that in such institutions children would grow up without love and widows
Okay, you just complete this paragraph.
would suffer from stigma and
Stigma. Stigma.
stigma and
Loneliness.
loneliness. Prasant groups believed orphans should be resettled in their own communicating itself
Community. Community.
community itself possibly in new foster families made up of childless widows and children without adult care. It is 6 months after the devastations of the
Devastation.
devastation of the super cyclone. This time, Prasan
Wounded.
wounded spirit as
Spirit.
healed,
Spirit. Spirit.
spirit as healed,
Has healed simply
as
because
healed simply because he had no time to
bother
bother about his own pain. His handsome, youthful face is what the widows and children
or
of his
orphaned
orphaned,
children.
orphaned children of his village seek out most in their darkest hour of, of grief.
Okay, thank you बेटा. This chapter is over. गुड अदिति, आपकी आवाज अच्छी है, आपको प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है, आप और अच्छा पढ़ सकते हो. ठीक है, गुड गुड, यू ट्राइड, वेरी नाइस. ओके. हाँ, 22. पहले तो 24 हो गए थे, अब कम हो गए बच्चे. एक दो लेफ्ट हो गए ना मेरी नाम सुन के. फाइन, उनका अटेंडेंस नहीं आएगा फिर. One second. यहाँ तो 22 नहीं लग रहे ना. अगर 2 दो तो मैं ही हूँ. ठीक है. Today there are less students. Why? और बढ़ाएंगे क्या? अभी एक दो बदमाश आएंगे क्या बाद में? Should I take the attendance?
मैथ्स में तो 30 आते हैं.
हेमा मैम से डरते हैं ना सब लोग.
यस मैम. मैम ने फोन करके सबको बताया था.
मैम तो फोन भी कर देती है
घर पे.
यस मैम.
मैं भी शुरू करती हूँ फिर. ठीक है. और 3 4 5 ही है यहाँ बदमाश. ऋषभ भी नहीं आया आज, है ना? ऋषभ, प्रखर, और कौन कौन है? तुम लोग ही नाम बता दो मुझे. ऋषभ, प्रखर, राघव. Who else? And please, you'll wear your uniform. I don't want कि आपके पेरेंट्स आपको डांटे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. एंड राघव का कोई भी यहाँ दोस्त हो. हाँ, चित्रांशी.
अनुनीत।
हाँ, अनुनीत। अनुनीत ने तो पेपर भी अलग से दिया था बैठ के स्कूल में। तो ग्रेट है। अनुनीत इज देयर टुडे? नो, ही इज नॉट हियर। क्या करें बताओ ऐसे बच्चों को। हाँ, सफिया एक दो दिन तो आई थी, मगर शक्ल नहीं देखी उसकी अभी तक मैंने। इफ यू हैव फ्रेंड्स प्लीज सोनिया यू कैन हेल्प मी आउट। आपके जो ग्रुप है। नव्या भी नहीं आती, शर्मा के बैठी रहती है नव्या? मैं घर पे फोन लगाऊं फिर? नव्या इज नॉट हियर टुडे, ग्रेट। आज तो हमको डांट पिटती है, अटेंडेंस कम होती है तो। Rumisha, please text me if this increases, because my laptop is giving me huge problems since 3 or 4 days. And कल भी मैंने 7th और 8th की क्लास बहुत मुश्किल से ली है इससे। And इससे before you it was 6th B's class. In that also one of the students was texting me. I could not hear their voice. That's why I'm wearing this earphones. वो जैसे ही मैं प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाती थी तो उनकी आवाज गायब हो जाती थी। Then that child is to tell me, मैम स्ट्रोल करो, तो मैं स्ट्रोल करती थी। मुझे कुछ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा उस तरफ से what they're telling. Okay, so the children helped me out. Fine. Now, basically, I want to tell you about this chapter. You must have understood by now that what is it about? It's about a cyclone, a huge, huge cyclone, and it's a real story. The story is not something fictional, it's real, and it was of 1999. Can someone tell me when was the first tsunami of India? I think it was 19. No, it was 2004, I suppose, if I'm not mistaken. 26th December. I remember the date. Year मुझे थोड़ा ध्यान नहीं आ रहा। मुझे लगता है it was 2004. तुम लोग पैदा नहीं हुए थे। That was the huge tsunami that came in. It affected Chennai regions of Kerala, mainly coastal regions of Chennai. And it was really very bad because I am born and brought up in Chennai. To see that सिर्फ न्यूज में उसको देख देख के मेरे को इतना रोना आ रहा था कि क्योंकि वी यूज टू गो देयर इन आवर चाइल्डहुड, दैट बीचेस ऑफ चेन्नई, वो हमारा फेवरेट बीच था। वी यूज टू गो देयर एटलीस्ट वंस इन ए मंथ। हम लोग पिकनिक मनाने वहाँ, पिकनिक मतलब वी 3 or 4 फैमिलीज यूज टू गो देयर। बहुत मजा आता था। इट वाज वेरी फेमस एंड मद्रास यूनिवर्सिटी इज राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट। देयर इज सैंड ओवर देयर, बस रोड क्रॉस करो यूनिवर्सिटी से and you can see the beaches over there. और हमारे जो 12th के बाद हमको उस टाइम जो हमको सर्टिफिकेट मिलता था, we used to collect it from university. We used not get it at school. हमको वहाँ से कलेक्ट करना पड़ता था यूनिवर्सिटी से। and many colleges also are there over there. It's a very famous place. And वो सारा पानी से to tsunami, everything had got washed out. तो just watching that in on TV itself made me cry like hell कि बाप रे, ये तो वो बचपन वाली हमारी जगह थी, हम लोग ने इतना खेला है and all that. So just imagine this story when this boy called Prashant is telling you everything. Prashant, a young man, how he has helped. This is the date also, 27th October 1999, and 7 years after his mother's death. Means he was a motherless child. And he has gone to the small village of, it's of Orissa. Okay, this one is of Orissa. So because you should know that Orissa also comes under coastal, this one. So, and if you follow a little bit of news, you will know that every year बाढ़ जब आती है तो उड़ीसा, बिहार, these states are very badly affected. Okay, sometimes it is even Vishakhapatnam and all. But I think Orissa is one of the places that is very badly affected during rainy seasons because floods are there, sea or rivers sab mix ho jata hai, and everything comes on the low-lying areas of the state. Wherever there is low lying, obviously वो ज़्यादा भरेंगे पानी से. So any word which you would like to know? So you can see the picture also how they have drawn, and it's very sad to see the speed of the wind. It is 350 kilometers per hour. अगर हमारी गाड़ी कार हमारी 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर ही चली जाती है तो कितनी तेज जाती है. So you can imagine that the wind's velocity was 350 kilometers. That means how many trees had got uprooted, what all, even the poles and electric poles, everything is uprooted. So it's such a chaos, literally. You don't know what to do. So much of confusion. And then these are the different incidences about his friend's house, and how what all got uprooted. Then the craziest destruction which the cyclone brought about was the ocean continued for the next 36 hours. मीन्स इतना, मतलब पानी हो चुका था 36 आवर्स तक, वो चलता रहा आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग. एंड वेरी यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन साइक्लोन कम्स, तो इट्स अलोंग, अगर बारिश रुकती नहीं है तो वो और बुरा होता चला जाता है. एंड एट दैट टाइम यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू मतलब मैन अंडरस्टैंड्स वन थिंग. जैसे अब तुम देखो, कोरोना ने भी हमें बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया है. But one thing is there that during cyclones and floods, everything is equal. Everything. Latest, I think we had 1 or 2 years earlier was this cyclone. You have floods. You have every year in Assam and this many places. Like we have it, had it even in Uttaranchal, है ना, शिव के धाम पे भी हो चुका है ये. केरला में अभी रिसेंटली कितना हुआ था, है ना. And you were, I think, in sixth or seventh that time when it happened in Kerala. That, no, it happened last year, I think, isn't it? So hardly, I think, 1.5 years ही हुआ है. So you people were in eighth standard, eighth or seventh. That time, and it's a usual scene. All animals, plants, and the humans, everything is equal. Humans at least have that brain, they can understand how they're going to save themselves. बट एनिमल्स तो एकदम से कंफ्यूज्ड है. एक तो वैसे भी इंसान ने उनका नेचर पूरा हैबिटेट खराब कर दिया है, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट वॉट एवर लिटिल दे आर सर्वाइविंग ऑन, दैट ऑल्सो इज गोइंग अवे थ्रू फ्लड्स एंड ऑल. The meaning of, one second, I had written this somewhere. It's not there in the chapter. ये तो मैंने भी नहीं निकाला.
Yes, ma'am, it is there.
It's there. What is written?
Uproar of a disorderly crowd.
What of a disorderly crowd?
Uproar of a disorderly crowd.
Uproar. Okay, uproar मतलब शोर. ठीक है, मतलब डिसऑर्डरली, ऑर्डर का उल्टा, मतलब जिसको हमने अरेंज नहीं किया ठीक से, वेरी मिसमैनेज्ड. जैसे क्राउड जब एक साथ शोर मचाता है, समथिंग विच इज नॉट, यू कांट कंट्रोल. ओके, दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ क्राउड. Crowd is obviously of humans, or here maybe something else also. I haven't seen that paragraph. So I'm just telling you, at that time, you can see after the floods is the main thing that starts. क्योंकि जब रुक जाती है जब बारिश, उसके बाद एवरीथिंग इज लाइंग अराउंड, द डेड बॉडीज ऑफ द एनिमल्स, birds, and we have even these are real stories that obviously, as I told, all everything is equal. Snakes पानी में घूमते हैं, दे आर सर्वाइविंग, बट उसमें इंसान अगर चल के जा रहा है तो उसको काट लेते हैं. कई बार होता है फ्लड से बच गए मगर आपको सांप ने काट लिया. दिस ऑल्सो हैज हैपेंड, that in the water the snake bit the human. He doesn't know कि ये human है या मेरे, he's just doing his job, the snake. So at that time you should understand what is the condition we have created. And previously also I used to talk to you in the school, you people are the ones who are going to save nature. You're the future, and people have already started working on it, devising things. It's going to take many years. There's so much of depletion of oxygen here everywhere. जितना हम नेचर से दूर रहेंगे उतना we have to get this thing. One second, बेटा. 1 second. Yes, but I haven't seen the chat box. 1 second. Huh. Corpses means dead bodies. सारी जो मरने के बाद of human beings, only of human beings. It's not of animals. Okay, and yes, Harsh has given that answer of Damini. You know, of who? Of Damini. Oh, Ramisha is answering it. Good. Okay. I was looking at the pronunciation of this. I'll just.
Macabre.
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 Okay. I've just checked this on the net, and this is the pronunciation of it. I think supplementary actually is the textbook which you're supposed to read it yourself. Still. डेलीगेशन होता है एक टीम जिसको आप लेके जाते हो, मतलब एक जैसे व्हाट हैपेंस इज आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल अगेन ऑफ कोरोना होता है, पहली बार जहां हुआ वहां पर एक टीम ऑफ डॉक्टर्स भेजी जाती है, दे सेंड ए डेलीगेशन ऑफ डॉक्टर्स मींस रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, जो उस हॉस्पिटल को या उस जो मेडिकल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है उस फील्ड को, उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स जाएंगे. ओके, लाइक इफ यू हैव स्कूल्स, प्राइवेट स्कूल्स का एक डेलीगेशन, अगर कोई बड़ा सा कुछ अटेंड करने जा रहे हैं भोपाल या दिल्ली, तो यू सेंड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, लाइक आवर प्रिंसिपल आल्सो गेट्स अ कॉल फ्रॉम सो एंड सो कि यू विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश, तो ही इज ए पार्ट ऑफ दैट डेलीगेशन हु इज गोइंग टू अटेंड इन दिल्ली. ओके, सो उस रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स का एक वो दिस टीम ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. Yes, and Damini, bereaved. What is bereaved? कहाँ था ये word? हाँ, bereaved means to be deprived of a close family or friend due to their death. मतलब आप अगर उनसे दूर हो जाओ अपने आप किसी अपने से जो जिसकी डेथ हो चुकी है. That's what he wrote. She's written, Ramisha, person whose close one has died. Okay. So here this whole chapter is about that, and later, see this thing is so, this one, that if I was just, when I don't know who was reading this paragraph, I was listening that at places it was waist deep and the progress was slow. At several points he lost the road. Sorry, here, this one it was. It was a journey he never forgot. He constantly had to use the stick to locate the road. And इतना उस लकड़ी के थ्रू आप एक, and sturdy, here sturdy means बहुत ही पक्की लकड़ी, एक पक्की लकड़ी उसने equipped, see the words they are using, equipped वैसे आप साइंस में यूज करते हो वर्ड, बट here it means equipped, मतलब आपने अपने साथ एक ऐसी चीज ली, एक जैसे टूल होता है. And usually you see this in Avengers and all this, where you equip yourself. मतलब these high-tech people equip them, मतलब अपने आप को वो चीज से what do you call in Hindi, अपने पास वो रखते हैं वो चीज. So he was having nothing, Prashant, except he could find a long sturdy stick. With that he continued his 18-kilometer expedition. मतलब इतना चला वो, and all over there was water. He had to locate the road, and कहाँ कहाँ उसने ऐसे रख के उसने देखा कि कोई गड्ढा तो नहीं है, because see this, somewhere he is finding where it is most shallow, जहाँ पर shallow, where the water is मतलब कम गहरा है, वहां वो चलेगा. With that stick he was judging कि यहाँ ज्यादा गहरा है कि कम गहरा है, and जहाँ कम गहरा होगा वहां वो चलता गया, जहाँ ज्यादा गहरा है तो मतलब वहां मिट्टी है तो वो अंदर धस सकता है. So he was finding the road with the help of this stick. So he was a basically very intelligent person. And later on we see that how people, because they had lost their loved ones, what happens in floods and all, कई लोग बह जाते हैं, गुम जाते हैं. And this is the time they're talking about is 1999. You didn't have mobiles and technology and media that much. It is now that you have, and they get help quickly nowadays. But at that time it was very bad. And people who had got matlab itna apna, ek to the villagers, they had lost so much, even their loved ones had died. Everyone cannot survive, isn't it? That time, how in later you see that he had made this people come together. He had arranged, here if you see, he had arranged for the games for them, for children. And as weeks passed, after many weeks, and he had the ladies who had lost their children, उनको उन बच्चों का ध्यान रखने के लिए बोला गया जो बिना माँ बाप के हैं, जिनके जो अनाथ हो गए हैं, ऑर्फन, ऑर्फन मीन्स अनाथ. So that it's a give and take thing. वो already उदास हैं, they are going through, they're sinking, see they're sinking deeper and deeper into their grief. मतलब वो एक एक passing दिन से, जब उनको आस होती स्टार्टिंग में, what you have ना, कि आपको लगेगा नहीं आ जाएगा, हमारा अपना आएगा, वापस आएगा, वापस आएगा. But as each and every day passes, you get even more scared कि नहीं नहीं आएंगे, नहीं आएंगे. And you know it's a human nature कि negative thoughts ज्यादा आते हैं हमको. और जिसके साथ इतना बुरा होता है, तो ऑब्वियसली दे आर सिंकिंग एंड सिंकिंग डीपर इनटू देयर ग्रीफ. मतलब अपने जो दुख में वो और धंसते चले जा रहे थे. सो ही परसुएडेड द वुमन टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन द फूड फॉर वर्क प्रोग्राम. मतलब वो खाना भी खिलाए. सो ही इज एंगेजिंग देम इनटू गुड थिंग. एंड देन they were also taking care of the homeless children. They were widows, everyone. And here if you see in this paragraph how they where is it? This one. How they communicated to the passing helicopters that they're hungry. Huh? They had to keep the utensils on their stomachs. The children, उनको लटा के उनके ऊपर यूटेंसिल्स रखे उनके स्टमक पे, ताकि दूर से वो उनको देखे, अरे उनके बर्तन खाली हैं, क्योंकि इतनी दूर से आवाज कैसे जाएगी हेलीकॉप्टर से, है ना, तक आवाज जा ही नहीं सकती. So these people had devised how they deputed. What is the meaning of deputed? Anyone? Like the head boy.
इकट्ठा करना,
क्या करना?
रिक्रूट करना.
मैम
recruit करना. Yes, recruit करना. मतलब you have nominated this person will do this. Like even you can depute the head girl or the head boy to do a certain job. मतलब उसको आपने ऑफिशियली वो कर दिया कि दिस पर्सन इज डूइंग दिस. सो हियर they had deputed the children to lie in the sand left by the waters, because most of the, even the topsoil is gone away by the floods, you know that, around their shelter with these utensils. And utensils shine. You should always remember they are talking about utensils जो उस time use होते थे. They were usually of aluminium. बड़े बड़े जो vessels होते थे, that is what villagers use, and they shine from far away. So when such a thing is visible from the helicopter, which is obviously at a very high altitude, that thing they see, and they understood that they don't have food. They're dying because of food. यही होता है. फ्लड्स के बाद जो बच जाते हैं उनमें से कई ऐसे ही मर जाते हैं भूख और डिजीज, बिकॉज ऑफ डिजीज, बिकॉज ऑल ओवर देर इज सब कुछ गला हुआ है, एनिमल्स, एंड उनके डेड बॉडीज के साथ तुम भी हो, तो तुम्हें स्किन इन्फेक्शन, तुम्हारी बॉडी के अंदर से, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर सो मेनी पोर्स इन आवर बॉडी एंड देयर आर सो मेनी होल्स आल्सो, बी इट योर नोज, ईयर एंड मेनी अदर. सब जगह से वो गंदा पानी अंदर चला जाता है हमारी बॉडी से, and many people die because of diseases. And then when you have so many bodies in water, what do? You have a lot of mosquitoes. It's a chain reaction. You have so many mosquitoes and all sorts of things, debris of animals, सब जगह वो breed करेंगे, be it vultures, mosquitoes, everything. तो वो multiply होएगा और वो काटेंगे हमको ही. So after floods, they say is the actual thing that starts, that will you be able to survive or not? And this is all, just imagine that we people are really lucky. At least once in a day, I think people should thank God that you people are in Madhya Pradesh. Seriously. है ना? हम लोग मध्य प्रदेश में हैं, तो यहाँ तो फ्लड्स के चांसेस कम हैं, सबसे कम, आई वुड से. ओके, इट्स एक्स्ट्रा टाइम ले लिया मैंने आज. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वीक विल यू वांट मी टू डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, और तुम लोग कर लोगे? Anyone who wants to do the presentation of this question answers, who is going to take over? 7th में तो बहुत सारे बच्चों ने हाथ उठाया था. I want to nominate 3 children together can do one chapter. So this chapter, who is going to do?
Question answers.
Yeah, you be the teacher. When I have problem in sharing, Srishti, Romisha, yes. चलो तुम दोनों की टीम बना देती हूँ. Romisha and Srishti, you complete this chapter, okay?
मैं भी. Sure.
And you can go for the next one, Harish. You and you can choose your own partner, and you inform me personally on my WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So next period is on Monday, isn't it? Srishti and Ramisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you both are completing this chapter on Monday. Fine? Okay, bye then. Sairam, and take care. Bye-bye.
Sairam, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Sonia. Bye, Ayushi, Damini, everyone.
Sairam, ma'am.
Sairam, Sairam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sairam, Pushkar, bye-bye, everyone. Yeah. And I'm going to tell the other students, I'm going to ring their house.